Calling all Oreo lovers, the Snow-Baked Oreo cheesecake is the ultimate cookies and cream dessert. With the crunchy Oreo crust and a creamy cheesecake filling, it's so easy to make. You are on Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie, and let's start. First, we're going to make Oreo crust. For that you will need Oreo and unsalted butter. Pulse the Oreos in a food processor until you have fine crumbs. I'm using the entire cookie to make the crust. Add the crumbs to a bowl and keep about 1½ cup of crumbs aside. We're going to use it later for decoration. Melt the butter. Pour melted butter into the bowl with crumbs and mix it well. Prepare the cake or baking ring. I'm using 16 cm diameter baking ring lined with the baking paper from the bottom and cake color inside. Press the crust mixture into the baking ring. Refrigerate it while you're making cheesecake filling. For cheesecake filling we will need room temperature cream cheese, cold heavy cream, white chocolate, Oreos, gelatin powder and very cold water. Cut Oreos into small pieces and set aside. Combine gelatin powder with very cold water. Allow the gelatin to set for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir room temperature cream cheese with spatula or use mixer on low speed. Melt the chocolate. Add melted chocolate to the bowl with cream cheese and mix it well. Once your gelatin has bloomed and set, heat it gently. Add melted gelatin to the bowl with cream cheese and chocolate. Mix it well. In another bowl, beat the heavy whipping cream until firm peaks form. Gently mix in the whipped cream on low speed into the cream cheese mixture. Then fold in the chopped Oreos. Scoop the filling on top of the prepared Oreo crust. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to smooth the filling out into an even layer. Refrigerate it for minimum 4 to 5 hours. Once cheesecake is set, press the top of it with the rest of the crumbs. And decorate it as you like. I'm using Oreo cookies which I've cut in halves and some whipped cream. Enjoy every bite of it!